And here we go. It's about 2 o'clock on Christmas afternoon, Christmas Day, and the tree is up. Only one bulb got smashed. 2 of them came off and blew down the hill into the backyard. But otherwise, it's up, and the tree isn't that heavy, but when you try to stand something up like that, that gets pretty hard. But we got it in there, and it's all set to go, and all the lights still work. So there you have it. Merry Christmas, everybody. And just remember, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find you handy.